So today we're going to review the Nike Zoom Superfly Elite 2 running spikes. Okay, so the box. It comes with this bag to put your spikes in. Pretty cool. Also the spikes themselves and the
What is it? No, I think those are
to tighten them. No, because these don't have spikes on them.
Did they give you any spare ones?
These no, maybe. Okay, now the actual shoes. Look at these beauties.
Hopefully they're the right
Hopefully
size.
they're the right size. They look good. I think they're the right size. But look at these. These are beautiful. Sprinting spikes. Beautiful. I think they're good. Or they might be big.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Slightly, that's slightly.
Why do you think?
This is the only color that was like on a discount. These are pretty tight.
Oh, nice.
I have grip socks on. It's gonna be hard to put them on. Hold on. Yeah. Should I go get new socks?
Yeah.
Okay, I think
Look, I don't know how much you need to tighten them.
that's sharp.
Yeah,
Feel that?
yeah, I've seen it. That's crazy how sharp it is.
First back on. You tighten them.
Tighten them properly.
What's the name of those shoes?
Nike Zoom Superfly Elite 2.
Say again?
Nike Zoom Superfly Elite 2. Running spikes. These spikes are made for sprinting, hurdling, and track. They're not made for like long distance or like field events, you know.